Welcome back to my channel. Figures of speech. Easy explanation with examples. Figures of speech are special ways of using words to make language more beautiful, effective, expressive, and interesting. 1 simile. 2 metaphor. 3 personification. 4 alliteration. 5 synecdoche. 6 hyperbole. 7 transferred epithet. 8 oxymoron. 9 apostrophe. 10 euphemism. 1 simile. Meaning. A simile is a comparison between two different things using words such as like, as, so, resembles, similar to. Examples. He is as brave as a lion. Her face is like the moon. The baby is as innocent as a dove. The water was as clear as crystal. She sings like a nightingale. His hands were cold as ice. The boy ran like the wind. The soldier fought like a tiger. The old man was as weak as a kitten. Her eyes sparkled like stars. 2 metaphor. Meaning. A metaphor is a direct comparison between two unlike things without using like or as. One thing is said to be another. Examples. Time is money. The world is a stage. He is a lion in the battlefield. She is a rose. My brother is a gem. The classroom was a zoo. His words were daggers. Life is a journey. The moon is a silver ball. Her voice is music to my ears. 3 personification. Meaning. Personification gives human qualities, feelings, or actions to non-human things such as animals, objects, nature or ideas. Examples. The wind whispered through the trees. The sun smiled at us. The flowers danced in the breeze. The moon watched over the village. The trees waved their branches. The rain knocked on my window. The leaves whispered secrets. The angry storm attacked the village. The stars winked at me. The river sang a beautiful song. 4 alliteration. Meaning. Alliteration is the repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of nearby words. Examples. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. She sells seashells on the seashore. Wild winds whistle through the woods. Big brown bears are beautiful. Silver stars shine in the sky. Busy bees buzzed around the flowers. The fair breeze blew. Round and round the rugged rocks. Deep dark forests surrounded the village. Kind kings keep their kingdoms safe. 5 synecdoche. Meaning. Synecdoche is a figure of speech in which a part is used to represent the whole, or the whole is used to represent a part. Examples. All hands on deck. Hands means sailors/workers. We need more wheels. Wheels means cars. There are many new faces in the class. Faces means people/students. India won the match. India means the Indian team. The factory needs more heads. Heads means workers. He has many mouths to feed. Mouths means people/dependents. The farm has 50 head of cattle. Head means cattle/animals. The ship has many hands. Hands means sailors. The village has many hungry mouths. Mouths means hungry people. The crown announced a new law. Crown means the king or monarch. 6 hyperbole. Meaning. Hyperbole is a deliberate exaggeration used to emphasize an idea or feeling. It is not meant to be taken literally. Examples. I have told you a million times. I am so hungry I could eat a horse. This bag weighs a ton. She cried a river of tears. He runs faster than the wind. I waited forever for the bus. His smile was a mile wide. This is the best day in the history of the world. I have mountains of homework. The whole world knows his name. 7. Transferred epithet. Meaning. A transferred epithet occurs when an adjective is transferred from the person or thing it actually describes to another noun. Examples. We spent a sleepless night. Actually, we were sleepless. He had a restless night. Actually, he was restless. She had a happy morning. Actually, she was happy. He spent an anxious afternoon. Actually, he was anxious. They had a merry evening. Actually, they were merry. The prisoner spent a fearful night. Actually, the prisoner was fearful. She gave a thoughtful look. Actually, she was thoughtful. He sat through a boring lecture. The lecture may not literally be bored. It caused boredom. We enjoyed a pleasant journey. Actually, we found the journey pleasant. He passed a difficult day. Actually, the day was difficult for him. 8. Oxymoron. Meaning. An oxymoron is a combination of two words with opposite or contradictory meanings. Examples. Deafening silence. Bittersweet experience. Sweet sorrow. Living dead. Open secret. Seriously funny. Pretty ugly. Alone together. Act naturally. Cruel kindness. 9. Apostrophe. Meaning. Apostrophe is a figure of speech in which a speaker directly addresses an absent person, dead person, imaginary person, an object, or an abstract idea as if it were present and able to hear. Examples. O death, where is thy sting? O love, why do you hurt me? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. O moon, shine brightly tonight. Dear hope, never leave me. O time, please slow down. O freedom, we cherish you. Sweet sleep, come to me. O nature, you are beautiful. Goodbye, childhood. 10. Euphemism. Meaning. Euphemism is the use of a mild, polite, or indirect expression instead of a harsh, unpleasant or embarrassing word. Examples. Direct/harsh expression. Euphemistic expression. 1. He died. He passed away. 2. He was fired. He was let go. 3. He is poor. He is economically disadvantaged. 4. She is old. She is elderly. 5. He is unemployed. He is between jobs. 6. He is a liar. He is economical with the truth. 7. The company fired workers. The company downsized its workforce. 8. He is in prison. He is serving time. 9. She failed the exam. She did not pass the exam. 10. He is blind. He is visually impaired. Quick identification table. Figure of speech. Easy way to identify. Simile. Comparison using like/as. Metaphor. Direct comparison. Personification. Human quality given to non-human thing. Alliteration. Repetition of beginning consonant sound. Synecdoche. Part represents whole represents part. Hyperbole. Deliberate exaggeration. Transferred epithet. Quality transferred from the actual person to another noun. Oxymoron. Two contradictory words together. Apostrophe. Direct address to absent/dead/imaginary person or thing. Euphemism. Polite expression for a harsh/unpleasant one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment.